Hi friends, welcome. Today I'm going to be making a pan of cornbread, and I wanted to show you how I make it. A lady on YouTube had asked me weeks ago if I would do a video on how I make my cornbread, and I had told her that I would. And I'm sorry that I haven't gotten around to doing that yet. I've just had a lot going on, really busy. But anyway, this video is for you. Now what I have here is 1.5 cups of cornmeal, and it is self-rising, and I have a 1/4 cup of flour, and it is also self-rising. Now if you want to use plain flour or meal, then you will need to adjust the ingredients, add your salt, baking soda, all that stuff. But for this one, in this video, I'm just using the self-rising ingredients. Now, when I put these together, I mix the dry ingredients. I just want that flour and meal mixed really well before I put the rest of the ingredients in. Now, let's get started making this. Now, here I have a 1/4 cup of shortening, and you want to melt this just until it's just melted. Don't get it too hot, because when you pour the milk in and the egg, you don't want this to harden back up on you. Okay, so let's get this put in there. And I also have my oven preheating to 400, and I've put about a tablespoon of shortening in my an iron skillet. I'm cooking in an iron skillet today, and I have preheated that, and so I've got that ready. And then here is the egg. We'll put that in. And then here is the milk, and we will start with about 1/2 pint. And stir, stir, stir. Buttermilk cornbread is so good. Okay. Now, let's put the rest of that in there. Okay. I like using this wire whisk because it just seems to help get the lumps out better. But everybody does things their own way, so it's okay if you whatever you want to use. This is just what I do. Okay, now that looks pretty good, and that's just all there is to it. Okay, now I'm going to set this out of the way, and I'll get our pan moved over there. And I have this just sitting on a plate with a dish towel on it, and you can probably see the shortening in that. It's really hot. Okay, so let's get this cornbread mix put in the pan, and then we're going to take it to the oven. We're going to bake it on 400 for 35 minutes or so. Ovens vary, so just you'll just have to watch it, and when it's golden brown, it's done. So when this is finished, I'll bring you back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, the cornbread is done, and I'm going to let it cool for 3 or 4 minutes, and then I will put it on a wire rack, take it out of the pan, and let it cool completely there to where it's just warm and you're able to eat it. And I'll slice it up, and I'll show you that in just a little bit. The cornbread has been cooling for a few minutes, and we're getting ready to eat some chili. And we're going to have some of this cornbread with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. I surely would appreciate it. Till the next video, you guys be blessed and happy trails.
you.